Please do not come to this workshop if you just want a kind of high-level theoretical overview on lean startup, agile, design thinking, whatever it is you want. This workshop is about digging in with a real project and coming up with some actionable experiments and research that you can really do, like for real life. In those 2 days, what we're going to do is cover quite a few topics, but the main things are, number one, practical lean for innovation teams. And that means innovation teams with real projects in a corporate environment. This is a mostly corporate-focused workshop. So after that, number two, what we're going to talk about is we're going to zoom out and we're going to look at innovation from a management perspective. And that includes portfolio management, having an innovation thesis, talking about innovation strategy, metered funding. Yes, we will talk about that. And also defining problem statements in a way that is actually solvable by teams. So that's the workshop. That's the overview. And if you're interested, please drop myself or Rob Alders from Startup Spirit a line. You can connect with him directly, or just please feel free to email me if you have any questions. Tristan@kromatic.com. That's Kromatic with a K. Aside from that, I hope to see you there.